As you start speaking Irish at a higher and higher level, you want to be spending more time trying to get the spelling changes of words right. Often you might find a word like this in the dictionary, but really when used in a sentence, it could look like any of the above depending on what comes before it. One of the key ones is the spelling change after the single definite article, so in other words, after on. Ban on van, sláinte on tláinte, alt on talt. All these changes can seem very linguistic and tedious, but when you break it down, it's actually a lot easier than you would think. For spelling changes after the definite article, we essentially have three main ones we want to remember. Number one is any feminine nouns that can take a H will take it after the definite article. So again, as we said, ban for woman by itself, we don't need to change anything. But if I'm saying the woman, it's going to be on van because it's feminine and it can take a H. Same for vibe, meaning problem. Vibe, a problem. On ibe, the problem. Iver though is any feminine noun beginning with S will take a T beforehand. So sláinte for health, but on tláinte, and then seachtain for week, but on seachtain, the week. And the last one, iver tree, is any masculine noun beginning with a vowel will take a T hyphen. Don't worry about the hyphen too much in terms of speaking. It's not going to change the pronunciation versus, let's say, the T we saw previously. It's just a normal T sound. Just when you're writing it, you're going to put the hyphen in to separate it. So, some examples here. We've got, let's say, author would be uther, but on tutor. Equally, alt for article, but on talt, the article.